homeowner or a business owner clean their wood floors? What's the best way?
Everybody's got a different theory on the best way to clean a wooden floor. We always think that less is better. So if you sweep it, dust mop it, clean it, dry clean it as often as you can, keep the grit off of it, then the floor should always look respectable. Every now and again you're going to have to refresh the floor, clean the floor in some fashion. Bona products make great cleaning products for hardwood floors. Use them minimally. Every cleaning product will build up on the floor over time, so you just want to use them only when you absolutely have to. But by and large, if you can do nothing more than keep it clean, dust it with a dust mop, use virtually no water. If you have a spill or something sticky on the floor, wipe it up with a damp rag, but never soak the floor, never saturate it, never leave water standing on the floor. And the floor should outlive you.